The purpose of the Volume Render tab is to view anatomical structures in 3D, identify problematic areas, and modify the scan if necessary. First, I would like to go over the tools in the toolbar. The Reset tool allows us to reset the zoom. If I first zoom in, I can reset my zoom by clicking the R icon. The next couple of tools allow us to quickly rotate the volume to preset orientations. With the Quick Slice Explorer tool, we can select an area of interest and scroll through the cross-sections for a detailed analysis. For example, I will use this tool to view the implant site. Click and scroll to view the cross-sections of that area. Deselect the tool when you are finished with your analysis. Next, we have two sculpting tools to remove unwanted regions of the scan. For instance, we can use the sculpting tools to remove scatter or excess objects such as the chin rest and spine. These sculpting tools may be used in conjunction with clipping. Clipping allows us to temporarily hide a section of the scan so it will not be affected by sculpting. To demonstrate, I will remove the scatter. Select Enable Clipping, choose Coronal, and flip. Scroll to move the clipping plane behind the tooth with scatter. Now I will use this freehand sculpting tool to remove the scatter. Click and drag the mouse to draw a line around the area of removal. Left-click to select the side to remove. Continue to move the clipping plane and use the sculpting tool to remove the scatter. Next, I will use the polygon sculpting tool to remove the spine. Left-click to place points to form a line around the area of removal. Since the point is attached to the cursor, right-click to complete the line, and left-click to select the side to remove. These modifications will be applied to all the views with the 3D volume throughout the Invivo tabs. All sculpting can be undone by clicking Edit, Undo. Patient orientation can be used to reorientate the patient's scan. If the patient was not properly positioned when the scan was being taken, use this tool to adjust the patient's orientation. You may need to scroll to decrease the radius to use the orange rotational arrows. You can check the patient's positioning from multiple perspectives. Next, I would like to go over the view control options in the control panel. These buttons apply filters to the 3D volume to better display certain structures. The two most popular views are the bone and teeth options. The bone view is opaque, which shows the bone surface better, and the reflection of light and shading generates a 3D perspective. The teeth view can be used to view the root and internal structures, as well as abscess and root and bone issues.
If you have any unanswered questions, or if you would like additional information, consult the Invivo reference manual. If you do not have a copy of the manual or still have questions, contact Cavo Dental Imaging Technical Support by calling 866-528-6537.